Good morning, children. Good morning, parents. This is the Nature Study and General Knowledge book. This is your GK book. Okay. In this page number 29, we have a topic air and water. Yes, no, children. See, we have a topic air and water. Air. We need air to live. Air is everywhere. We cannot see air, but we feel it. Okay. We can fill air in kites, balloons, and birds fly in air. Yes, no, children. We need air to live. Okay. We will breathe. No. How will breathe? We'll breathe the air. We'll intake the air. Because of air only we can live. Yes, no, children? Without air, see, you just imagine, children, if you are in some room without the air, how will feel? We can't live, no? So, we need air to live. Air is everywhere. Air is everywhere. Yes, no, children? We cannot see air. Yes or no, children? We cannot see the air, but we can feel it. We can fill air in balloon. Yes, no, children? On your birthday or any function, on that day we'll tie a balloon, no, for decoration. How the balloon will become big? If we fill air in that, the balloon will become big. So we can fill air in a balloon. Kites. We'll put a kite, no? See here. How the kite will go up? The support of air, the kite will go up. So balloons and birds fly in air. See, birds are flying in air. Yes, no, children? Balloons also fly in air. Next, see, kites flying in the air, insects, birds and aeroplane flying in the air. Now here coming to next one. Plants and animals need air to breathe. We cannot live without air. Plants and animals need air to breathe. Not only human beings, plants. What is this all? Plants. Plants and animals. That is whatever the animal. Starting from the insect to big animal, lion, king, elephant, whatever it is. All the animals, birds, insects, plants, all the living things. You can take it as example as a living things. We cannot live without the air. Plants and animals need air to breathe. We cannot live without air. Okay, children? Next. Water. All living things needs water to live. We need water for drinking, bathing, cooking, washing and cleaning. We also use water to put out fire. Children, all living things need water to live. Yes, no, children? All the living things need water to live. For example, plants. If we pour water to the plants, the plant will grow. Yes, no, children? Even human beings, we have to drink the water. Animals, birds, insects, all these are it need. Water is need. Okay. All living things need water to live. Not only water, air also. Okay. And we need water for drinking, bathing, cooking, washing and cleaning. For us children, with the help of water only, we can get bath. Yes, no? See, vessel wash, cooking, washing, all these things we need a water. Without the water, we cannot do any work. Yes, no, children? We also use water to put out fires. See, if somewhere fire is on, then what we'll do? Suddenly we'll go and pour the water in that. We'll put on the water in that. Then the fire will putting out. Oh, yes, no, children? Then animals and plants also need water. See, all the animals, okay, plants also need water. Sources of water. What are the sources of water, children? We get water from seas, rivers, lakes, well, rain, etc. Yes, no, children? What is this? This is a river. We'll get the water from river. Then lake. Then well. Then rainwater. If rain is coming means through rain we'll get water. No, children? So what we have learned now? Air and water topic. Air we have learned all from the insects or plants, human beings. For example, you can take it all the living things. We cannot live without the air. Okay, we need air to breathe. Okay, to keep ourselves alive. Okay, then insects, birds and aeroplane flying in the air. Even kites will fly in the air. Plants and animals need air to breathe. We cannot live without air. Yes, no, children? Again, water. All living things need water to live. We need water for drinking, bathing, cooking, washing and cleaning. We also use water to put out fire. See, drinking, bathing, cleaning vessels, cooking, washing clothes, putting out fires. When you do brush, you need a water to wash your mouth. Like that, we need water for all the purpose. Okay, and even animals will get a bath. Okay, even animals will drink water. Oh, yes, no, children? Then see what is this girl is doing? Girl is watering the plant. Yes, no, children? See, without the water, even plant cannot live. And sources of water is from where we get the water. Rainwater is there. If rain is coming, we'll get the water. Then in this well, water is there. Lake, from lake also we'll get the water. River. So from these all these sources of water. Okay. I hope you understood. Parents, please make your child to learn air and water topic in GK book. Thank you, parents. Thank you, children.